Ever since old Grandpa Hacksnicks used his first bell cloche, Hacksnicks have been creating products to help gardeners to be more productive and more successful. There are over 100 really useful products that have been carefully designed by Hacksnicks to make jobs easier and to create the perfect environment to help plants to grow and thrive. From professional growers to allotment holders and urban gardeners, Hacksnicks supports gardening as a hobby, a profession and a way of life. Professional growers use our products as they know that they'll get healthier, more robust plants. It's been a joy to give home gardeners access to these products too and let them in on the professional secrets. Organic gardeners find our plant protection range particularly useful as it allows them to grow and harvest crops without using chemicals. Our wide range of tunnels and covers use a variety of top quality fabrics that will protect your plants throughout the season. They'll allow you to start growing earlier in the year and to keep things growing longer through the autumn and winter. Urban gardeners can start growing their own food in the smallest of spaces. It's not going to reverse climate change, but whether you garden at home, on the allotment, or on a tiny balcony, our products help to reduce food miles when a carrot can be picked and eaten just a few feet away in the kitchen. Gardening is important for so many reasons. With climate change high on everyone's agenda, the more plants we can grow, the better. Not only is it good for the planet, but it's also good for your physical and mental health. Our aim is to make gardening tasks easier through well-designed products. It doesn't surprise us anymore that our products are often copied, but watch out for these imitations as they tend to lack the level of quality of the original Hacksnicks products. We design our products to allow everyone to enjoy gardening, from the slim Vigoroot balcony garden and compact planters that allow those with the smallest of spaces to get growing, to sun bubbles that allow those without a greenhouse to have an original, fun space to cultivate plants all year round. We want everyone to enjoy looking after plants and learning about gardening. We also like to have a bit of fun with the products and throw in a few showstoppers, like our ornamental plant frames, so you can harvest your beans from Big Ben or bring the glamour of the Eiffel Tower to your squash growing. We care about the environment, and as a company we promote sustainability. Whilst we still do use some plastics, wherever possible our products are made from recycled material and none of them are single use. We also go the extra mile to ensure that our products are durable and last year after year. We're always investigating new materials, and our bamboo and hemp ranges are just the start of this journey. Over the past few years, Hacksnicks have helped start up and develop a highly productive vegetable garden at an orphanage in Zambia. We've provided seeds, equipment and an irrigation system, as well as giving hands-on advice on growing vegetables which provide a valuable source of food on a daily basis. We love feedback on products you'd like to see in our range, so if there's something you'd like to see, then let us know and we'll look into it. We do hope you'll subscribe to our channel. We don't churn out videos for the sake of it, so hit the bell button too, and you'll be the first to know when something new is published.